Yeah, hello, Ferry here. In this video, we just want to show you how to make offer. Let's suppose you are doing a Pepsi cold drink or retail shop or any other product you want to make a offer. So that means buy one get one free, or you want to say buy one the other one will be, if you buy two that will be 20p cheaper or something like that. Any offers, what you have to do is you just go to product, add product. Now what we are saying, we are going to make Pepsi. The Pepsi, what we are saying, that the Pepsi price, the sale price is 1.00, that means £1, $1, €1, whatever you are using, and you are saying the barcode is for, this is the barcode, so the product barcode is there. So Pepsi costs £1 or $1 or €1, whatever you're using. So you have to make an offer. So you can go here under the offer and you can see, click on the offer button. You are saying if somebody buy one, it costs £1, and if somebody buy from 2 till 5, the cost you 0.80. The same like the further options, you can make it like somebody buys 6 from 10, so you can say okay, that will be the 60p or cheaper or wholesale rate, whatever you want to do it. So you can also use the sale percentage as well. So if you want to say no, I want to minus 20%, you can do it from here as well. So what I'm doing right now, if somebody buy one, so he will pay £1. If you buy from 2 till 5, he's paying the 80p each. So what we are just saving this one and finish it. Okay, and now you can see I have put it the sale price as 1. I'm saving this option. It's finished. If you go to main screen on your POS, this is your POS, and let's suppose we are going to scan the product. You can see if somebody buy one, it's coming £1. They clearly says £1 because you buy one, and let's suppose you buy two, the price will be 80 because we have 80, so 2 will be 160. This is a very simple offer system. If you need any info, visit our website ewebsystem.com. Thank you.